In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Pumpfun. The basic idea is simple. You create a meme coin on Pump.fun, let it trade through the platform's built-in pricing system, and if enough interest builds around it, the project can move on to a larger market. Along the way, there may also be an opportunity to earn fees from trading activity on your coin. To get started, head over to Pump.fun, which is a platform for launching and trading meme coins on Solana. The first part of the process is creating your token. For that, you'll need three things ready in advance: a name, a ticker, and an image. It's a good idea to think these through carefully because presentation matters a lot with meme coins. The name and ticker should be easy to remember, and the image should be clear and recognizable. Once you have those prepared, connect your Solana wallet, such as Phantom, to the platform. After your wallet is connected, you'll pay a small deployment fee, usually around 0.1 SOL, and you'll also buy the initial tokens. Make sure you have enough SOL in your wallet before starting so the launch goes smoothly without interruptions. After the token is launched, it begins on what's called a bonding curve. This is an important concept to understand because it affects how the token price behaves. On Pump.fun, new coins don't start with a traditional open market right away. Instead, the price increases as more people buy the coin. In other words, buying activity pushes the price upward along the curve. That means early attention and momentum can have a big impact on how the token performs. If your coin gains enough traction and reaches a market capitalization of $60,000, it can graduate to Radium. This is a much larger trading market, and at that stage, the remaining funds are moved there so the token can be traded more broadly. Reaching that point can significantly increase visibility since the coin is no longer limited to just the initial launch environment. Another piece of the strategy is fee generation. When people buy and sell your coin on the platform, you can earn fees from that activity. So the potential to make money here is not only about the value of the token itself, but also about the trading volume it attracts. Overall, the process is straightforward. Create the token with a strong name, ticker, and image, connect your Solana wallet, pay the launch fee, understand how the bonding curve works, aim for enough momentum to graduate to Radium, and benefit from the trading activity if your coin starts gaining attention.